In this SEO course today we will learn what is redirection and what do 301 and 302 signify, how do we create them and how does it help us in SEO. This is a complete guide. Learn it properly because our goal is to help you learn properly from beginner to pro level. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything and don't miss upcoming videos. So learn appropriately. Moreover, along with this, Marketing Fundas has brought Maha Bundle course where you can gain a lot of knowledge, a lot of skills, and at the same time you can generate instant income as well. Friends, I have given a link and also numbers in the description. Through them you can contact us. You can take advantage of it right away, so let's go and learn. You can call the given numbers for digital marketing services, training and consulting, or visit our website.
So hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about redirection. What is redirection? How many types of redirection are there? And how can we apply redirection in our website? First, we need to understand what redirection means. What is redirection? So basically, let's go through the definition for a moment. So redirecting URL is the practice of resolving an existing URL to a different one. It means like whatever your existing URL is, you attempt to transfer that URL that you have to a different URL. You redirect there. Suppose you have created a page, right? And you created a page, then suddenly you made some changes to it. Let's say you changed the URL, or suppose you deleted the page. So what happens in that case? Thus, automatically when that page does not even exist at all, then if you had mentioned that page already somewhere, suppose you had mentioned it in a blog or have shared it somewhere. So when someone tries to open that particular page, then what do they see? 404 error. It shows not found, 404 error. So it means that your page does not exist. And in that case, the page shows error on the screen to you. That means that the page that you have created does not even exist at all, right? So here we take an example of a website to understand. As you can see, we have a demo website. So let's suppose an example here. Let's say, for an example, you created a page, like your home page of a website, a services page, or an about us page. In that page, suppose you make some changes like the slug. Then in that case, let's understand it this way by taking this example of this about us. In the all pages, we visit this particular page of about us. So what is the slug of the about us page? About-us. And now we only keep about in the about us section in the backend. And next time when we hard refresh the about us, so in that case, what will you get? Page not found. Now, is this correct? Let's suppose you have created the link and given to many places, created backlinks on many websites, or you shared the links on your social media platforms. And you have shared this particular page, right? And you have created many blogs, articles, or backlinks. So your URL will be mentioned there. Now, if you make any changes to this particular URL or suddenly you delete something, so what will you face? 404 error, which means page not found. So is this practice correct? No. Because now in this case, if Google finds this page or users visit this, then what will they see? This 404 error, which is not a good practice from an SEO point of view. So now what do we do in this case? Here we apply redirection. So for example, if we deleted a page of ours, let's say for a moment, this was about us page. And in this about us page, what did we do here? We have changed the slug. So where will it open now? Only in about. The about page will open in the about, right? So here, what do you have to do? You have to put a permanent redirection so that all your backlinks created and the value that was created of the page, basically all the SEO backlinks that were created by you for SEO or shared a link somewhere, or you have mentioned this on many different websites. So the audience that was clicking and trying to visit to this landing page or this page should not face such type of error on the page. And the error is 404 error. If a 404 error shows up, what does that do here? That will hamper your impression. So in this case, if the page does not exist, then we transfer the SEO and its performance value to some other page. In this particular situation, we will transfer the page by using 301 redirection, right? So friends, this was our redirection concept. So here we basically tell our visitors and to our Google crawlers that our page has shifted to some another page, which means it has shifted to a new location, right? So here, this was our concept of redirection. Now we will understand how many types of redirects there are. So guys, here as you see, we have two types of redirects available. Like the first one is 301 redirection and the second one is 302 redirection. So this 301 redirection is basically a moved permanent redirection. So to say where we move. For example, let's suppose, what did we do with this about us page, right? Let's consider this particular thing. We had this about us page. We have mentioned our about us page in many places and created backlinks for it. So now if someone searches for that page, then where will they be redirected? To marketingfunda./about-us. They will be redirected to this page, and what do they see? This page does not exist. It is showing not found. So in that case, the impression will be bad. And even if you have created backlinks to it, so if the crawlers visit there, they will also see that the page does not exist and the impressions will also go down there. What should we do in this case? You need to use the 301 redirection in this case. Is that right? How to use a 301 redirection using plugins. Now this next redirection of 302 redirection is a temporary redirection, right? Where you redirect a visitor temporarily. So now in this particular condition here, what do we do? If you use 301 redirection for a particular page, and when redirect or move permanently to a particular page on a website, so what happens if you have practiced about it on the about-us page for the SEO practice? So the value of the about us page increased. You simply transfer the same page or the identical URL to this particular URL. So the link equity or the value that is built of that particular page, which existed earlier, that entire value will be transferred to your new page. And when will the transfer happen? When you use the particular redirection of redirection 301 here. And how do we do this? Let's understand it. And here the second type of redirection that we have, it is our temporary redirection where you redirect temporarily. Now, how do you practically implement these two things on your website? So let's do it practically here. So if you have a WordPress website, so in that a plugin is used, which is called 301 redirection. So now we go to our dashboard and we will refer to a page to do the practical, which we change the slug of or deleted a page. We will permanently redirect it to a new location or a new page. We will move it there. So here, what you have to do is simply go to the plugins and click on add new plugin. And then you need to search here for new plugin. Search for 301 redirection. So here you have selected 301 redirection. Okay, now you can see this option of 301 redirects easy redirect manager plugin here. Install it, right? Upon completion of the installation process, you will see a new 301 redirection option in your dashboard list. For any page that you have deleted or for which you have made change to the slug and you had built a significant number of backlinks to that old page. Or maybe you had shared it to people on many platforms, such as, for example, you shared on social media, right? You shared it with your friends. So if they will try to access that, then they won't see it because the page has either been deleted or the URL has changed. So what will we do? We will redirect it to the new URL. So what will happen the next time when the audience or that backlink or Google crawlers, if these people go to the page where we have built backlinks, they will be permanently redirected to the page where we have done redirection. So that's how they will be redirected. So this was 301 redirection. Now here we click on manage redirects. Here we create redirection, right? So here you can see what type of redirection you need to do. So which redirection do we need now? We need 301 redirection. So you have selected 301 redirection. Now what was the page that you deleted? And you need to put the slug of that page. So the page that we deleted or changed the slug of, its slug was about -us, right? Now where will we redirect this? To a custom URL, or we will redirect to the page. Now what will that page be? Now that page was this about page. This is the page. Okay, now we'll save this. So guys, what did we do last time? We changed the slug of the about us page earlier. So all the backlinks pointing to that about us page And also the authority of that page will be transferred to this new page here, right? As the next step here, we try it on this old URL. On the old URL, what did we do? We have changed the slag. Now, when you click on About Us option here, you will be redirected to the About Us page here. Until now, when you were clicking on the option of About Us here, on this About -us, so you were facing 404 error. It was showing not found. Now suppose here, this is our demo page, right? So what do we do with this now? We delete this page, right? And came to the dashboard. So let's check what the URL of our demo page was. Okay, let's go back from here and copy the URL of our demo page. And here we just proceed to delete this page, this demo page. We deleted it. Now move to this page here. And then in all pages, now let's say you had a demo page that you created and it had a lot of backlinks, right? Let's just trash it here. So now what should we do? Now, let's say I shared the demo page with a lot of people, and when they click on it, they'll get a not found message because it is not the right practice. Or suppose you have many backlinks made in this case. Those backlinks will be on this page, then Google will see 404 not found error. So here your SEO performance will go down, which is not a good thing. So what we will do? We will apply the 301 redirect, right? So here we move to our 301 redirect. Okay. So here you need to go to plugins, or you can also find it in tools. In tools and settings, you will find option of 301 redirects here. Let's move to this. And here we will set new redirect here, right? So here is the option to new redirect. Select redirect here. Which redirect will we select? Permanent redirect. So what was the slug of that page? The demo page. So what do you have to mention here? Demo page, right? Now you have set the demo page. Where do you want to redirect this? To a post, to media, to a landing page, to a template, or to a post or page? So which page do we want to redirect this to? Demo page 2. So we have selected 2 and saved it. What happens now? From the next time someone opens your website or clicks on a link you shared, then when someone tries to open it, then which page they will be redirected to? They will be redirected to the demo page. Therefore, let's proceed to try and open the old URL here and see what was its URL slug? Demo / page, right? Nevertheless, if you don't remember the link now, then we had pasted the link, right? Okay. So now which page are we redirected to? Automatically, which page we got to? Page 2. So guys, we can use this in this way. And also, in what sense can we use? For example, let's say there is an SSL issue on your website. So let's suppose you want your website to get redirected to this URL. That means with this HTTPS or with this HTTPS www. So that redirection can also be set through permanent redirection. So guys, that's it for this video. We will bring more interesting topics for you in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for now.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Friends, if you want to take digital marketing training or services from Marketing Fundas, you can call us easily. And moreover, along with this, we have brought the world's easiest affiliate program designed specifically for you. This provides a means through which you can begin generating income instantly and genuinely. There is a link in the description. Click it or call our manager to get details and enroll. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.